We're doing one shoot with the Tesla on Alameda Naval Base. He wants a full set of photos and a 2 to 3 minute video. So my plan is shoot the photos first, like just focus on those, get them all done on the base, rollers and everything, and then shoot like still video stuff on the base. And then whenever we leave to go to the second shoot, he'll follow us on the highway. We'll get highway for your rollers and we can break off. I can get the breakaway shot.
We got here 3 days ago. Y'all see that?
Just not cleaning it.
Looks like we painted in here. We have arrived at our first spot. Brandon's gonna get some B-roll while the Tesla's on his way here. Those are some nice pipes.
Not bad.
Not bad. Hello.
Dude, that thing looks sick.
Yeah. It's got a carbon front lip on it and a tow hook.
Like, you can glance at me and kind of line yourself up, or just look at the box. Look at wherever you are with that. So simple. Nothing in there.
Just a screen.
Wow.
Screen and carbon fiber. Do you have like a heads-up display?
Wow.
Dude, why is this lighting so perfect right now? For some reason, everything's just looking ridiculously good.
If you want, you could open it like this.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's sick.
That's like one of the other mods you can do.
This isn't stock?
No, it's not.
Oh.
Should have been.
Can you put it down automatically?
Here, actually, no, I can only do it here. There's like a button.
Oh, I see.
But in the rear, I can. Rear, I can do it. You've seen it. But I think going forward, yeah, it might.
That's cool.
Yeah. Right there. It's just gonna go forward until it doesn't stop.
It creeps
So
forward.
it's helpful if you're in tight spaces.
Yeah. What?
Same thing, I can go backwards.
What a spot.
Go back just a tiny bit. Right there. And then turn that way a little. Go back. Right there. Yeah.
Just lining them up for more photos?
Yeah.
Ooh. You know, I was about to say, you don't do side profiles that often.
Here we go.
And here we are. We have the car set up right here, right? There's all that out there. Old airstrip. If anybody knows anybody on how to get out there, let us know. Or reward ya. Hi, Todd.
Yeah, so you'll circle around, come back towards me, and just as you stop, go just a little bit. Like about how I had you turn the wheels before. Yeah. Like 3/4 turn. So yeah, let's try that out. All right. Try to aim for somewhere in this donut part. I got the front end at the other spot, so do rear end here, and then just mix those together.
Nice.
Perfect.
Is that from the Tesla?
Oh yeah.
Did it burn out here?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I can tell.
If I'm shooting at this side, everything's just shadowed, and everything else will be super bright.
Yeah.
So, side of the sun.
Gotta flip her around. Do it again. Hell yeah, dude, he's good at it. 2 for 2, 3 for 3.
So I'm gonna go in on the wheel and the headlight.
Okay.
If that makes any sense.
Stop or keep it going?
Yeah, just always keep it going.
Okay. You good?
Yeah. There we go. And start to cut in. Oh yeah. Toe hook, that headlight. This one will go out through there and then go behind the trash can. I want to be on the other side of those flower pot things. And just slowly,
Yeah,
just to get a far shot.
Yeah.
You'll get the skyline. Oh.
All right, you ready?
Aye, aye, Captain. Okay. Go back, and I just want to be closer to the pots.
Oh.
Okay, back up.
Oh, baby.
Oh my god, this looks so good.
Any more, sir?
No, okay, now we're good. We're gonna take rollers over here. We're just gonna do photo rollers back and forth. Knock those out, those are the rest of the photos. Get set up for like freeway rollers for video. And we're gonna hop on the freeway, get whatever rollers of the car that I need there. Oh, plus shooting it in front of the doors that we originally shot it at. And then at the end of the freeway rollers, get a parting shot. And then that's the end of that video. Yeah, just follow this line. I'm gonna have them on the line next to us. Ready? Nice. Our exhaust smells like shit. So what we're doing right here is we're just gonna drive along this, and then he's gonna drive out along this. We're gonna get these in the background. And we're just gonna try to match his speed, but I'm gonna see if he can hold the vlog camera while doing it. Okay, now go out closer to him. Exit past.
Okay. He's taking that one?
Yeah, we're gonna get that parting shot there.
Yep.
And then we're gonna ride in the Tesla.
Yeah.
Alright, okay. Safety first.
Yeah, there's cops up there. There's 2 cops.
Yep. We're just chilling in the cars right there. Sneaky, sneaky. Put the hatch down just in time. He called a cop and I was like, whoop, and we just passed him.
then I can do a camera system. There's gonna be sides and rear.
Bro, I need a freaking Tesla.
Yeah, all built in. It wasn't like this before when we first started.
My first ever Tesla launch, drive, anything. For something with no sound, it should not be that fast.
Yeah, it's a trippy experience at first.
Holy crap.
But you get used to it after a while. It's like
oh my what? God. That was just instant.
Yeah.
Instant torque.
From like, on a rolling start of rolling at 30, 35. I go to 60 in like what?
What?
Yeah.
And that's not even like an exaggeration. Like that's actually like, it's pulling. It's pulling hard.
It means autopilot's engaged. I don't have to touch the steering wheel about till every 30 seconds here.
Why do you have to touch it every 30 seconds?
So right now, because it's not fully legal to be completely autonomous, Tesla has it so that the driver has to pay attention at all times. You can't just engage autopilot and have it go to
take a
sleep.
nap.
Yeah. Not yet, at least. Maybe by the end of this year, that's what we're aiming for.
Imagine mobbing down to the Bay Area in a Tesla and we don't have to drive. We just like the whole way. You just edit the whole way.
That's the overall goal. And it'll charge. I think it somehow will get to a point where it's going to charge itself somehow.
I believe it.
Yeah.
So you can just take it. You get no warning when there's no sound.
If anything.
Thanks for making me spend 40 grand. Yeah, nicely done.
Right, yeah. I have a referral code.